Hi, this Take Dictum I'm gonna show you how to get and add filters on Instagram Reels and Stories. Follow these easy steps to get filters for your video. First of all, go to your Instagram and tap on this plus icon and select Story or Reel where you want to add filter. So I'm selecting Reel and selecting Camera. And now to add a filter or effect to your video, just tap on effects here. Now here you will get a bunch of different filters. You can select any of them to add to your video. And if you want to see all trending filters, then here select trending. And here you will get all of trending filters. You can use any of them. Or if you want to search for a specific filter, just tap on this magnifying glass icon. And here search for the filter name that you want to use. And you can select the filter. So this is how we can get filters on Instagram. And if you want to get filter for your story, let's tap on plus, select story. And here you just swipe to the left side to add filters to your story. Or you can tap on this browse effects icon. The same way, tap on this magnifying glass icon to search for a specific filter for your Instagram story. So this is how we can add filters on our Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.